Okay, so once you have your project set up, you're gonna have a .c1 file and an MP4 file. And then we can go ahead and open this project in VideoSync. Okay, so you're gonna open the directory that we have this in. For mine, it's on the desktop, this folder here. Open it up. Okay, so because this is the first time we're opening it, we want these two files to be generated automatically. So go ahead and hit no and no. And then we can start entering the input mapping. So we're first going to go to Tools, Input Mapping. And within here, you select C1, and this shows all the available channels. Now, the way we know which ones to use is you'll want to reach out to John and Jerry, who should be able to get you this diagram. This is for a 334 box, which is the layout for the box that we collected this data at. So what you can see is that for channel 7, or for the slots 7 through 12, these will all be populated with our lanes, lane 1 and number 7, lane 2 and 8, all the way to 6 and 12. Then you can reference the C1-59, C1-60 to know which channel is which. So what this is showing is that for lane 1, channel 59 is the upper lane loop, and channel 60 is the lower loop. So you can go in and add this, lane 1, give it a name, and select the type. Then for lane 2, you can see over here in the slot 8, we'll have channel 61 and 62. Okay, so now that we have these two set up, we're going to go ahead and go double check, make sure that we are actually getting real data. So let's enable 4 channels. For each one, we'll go and add the mapped channel to it. And then we can give these identifiable colors. So I like to do the same color for the same lane, one lighter version and one darker version, distinguish between upper and lower. And then we'll want to hit enable video for all these. Come over here to the video panel, and you can place these where you'd want them to be. So lane 1 is the fast lane, and then lane 2 is the slow lane, or sorry, not the slow lane, the second to fastest lane. And we'll just want to place these roughly where the cars would be passing through the sensor. And the lower, upper and lower, you can think about it as a river. So upper will be where the car passes through first, and the lower is downstream where the car will pass through next. So here we go, we got these set up. And then, although we don't have an offset yet, so these aren't going to light up as the cars come through, you want to check this panel over here to make sure that you actually can see that these states go from high to low. You can see this is real data. There's cars passing through. It's not aligned with the video yet, so it's not showing when these cars pass through at the exact right time, but it is real data. For example, if we enable another one and pick, say, channel 99, which doesn't have any data, you can see that this just shows a solid black line that never changes. No cars come through that lane. So that would not be one that is going to get mapped to a lane. So now with this, you just go through the next 4 channels, or the next 4 slots. So channel 81, 80, 79, 82, 53, 54, and 41, 40. And you'll have all 6 lanes mapped out, and the input mapping will be done.